Alright guys, I want to show you something. If you look in the upper right hand side of my browser, you will see that I have my profile, right? And it shows my name. I can click on it. It shows my current account. And if I go ahead and click on the Google Chrome here again in my taskbar, you can see that I have more accounts, right? Now, if you want to have this, you can easily go ahead and sign into Google Chrome, create an account there, and you'll be able to sign in with your Google account. And once you do that, what it actually does by default is sync with your Google Chrome browser. So if you want to turn off this sync, it is super easy, and I'm going to show you how to turn off the sync with you and Google from your Google Chrome browser. So all you have to do is click three that's on the upper right hand side and go down to where it says settings at the bottom here. If you click in that, now under the You and Google, you'll see it at the top there in the top left. You click on it, it's going to be selected by default anyways, but you can click it as well. Now it's going to show you where it shows you at the top here your email address, and it says sync in to your email address. And if you want to turn off that sync, just simply hit the turn off button right here, and you'll get a pop-up. You can simply go ahead and turn this off, and by clicking that you will be able to remove bookmarks, history, passwords, and more from this device. So you can quickly go ahead and turn off that if you don't want to have those things synced to your computer or your account or your device. Let's put it like that. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.